Hey everybody, it's Mary. Thanks for stopping by the kitchen. We are going to make a really old recipe today. It's apple butter, but this is a different variation from what I've ever seen. It was given to me by a Facebook friend, thanks Misty, and it's something that her grandmother made. So today, we're going to give it a shot. Okay. I have cooked apples. Now, folks, this is apples that I peeled, cored, diced, and cooked down. Okay, I have 24 ounces, but the original recipe calls for a 23-ounce jar. So if you want to use a jar, then by all means, that's the recipe. This is what I have, so this is what I'm going to use with it. So we're just going to put those in there. Have this turned to a medium heat. Okay. I have some spices. I have salt, cinnamon, cloves, and some allspice. I will give you the correct measurements and everything in the description box. And folks, one more ingredient. This is apple juice. It's the frozen apple juice that you find in your grocery store in the refrigerated section that has been defrosted, and this is a ½ cup. Okay. And that's it. There's no added sugar. So we're just going to stir this and cook it until it gets really thick. Okay. I have cooked the apple butter until it's gotten really thick. And folks, this smells so good. This is like the really old-fashioned apple butter like you make fried apple pies with, or that you layer in between a stack cake. It is excellent. Okay. This, of course, is hot. My jars are in hot water. I have my canner heating up. So what I'm going to do, okay, first let me backtrack. Okay, you could cool this and put it in a freezer cup and set it in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks if you wanted to. But I'm choosing to can it. That way I totally extend the shelf life on it. So whatever way that you want to do, it's up to you. But I prefer to can. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's get back to what I was saying. Okay, everything is warm, because you always want to put something that is warm or hot in a jar that you have heated up and your canner heating up. Okay. Put this in here. Who grew up eating apple butter? Did you grow up eating the kind similar to this? Or did you grow up eating the kind that had the cinnamon red hots in it? In all honesty, that's the kind that I've eaten most of the time. But this one gives my recipe a run for its money. Just saying. Okay. I'm moving my headspace up to that bottom rim right there. Okay. I'm wiping my rim off. Okay. With today's lids, you do not have to soak them like you did the lids of a few years back. Okay. I'm putting my lid on just finger tight, and I'm putting it in my water. Now I know that's not full right now, but whenever I get all my jars in here, I'm going to add enough water to fill it up. It's going to be covered by a couple of inches, and I'm going to water bath can, which is boil it for 20 minutes. Then I'm going to take it out, and guys, this is shelf stable for a mighty long time. But I really appreciate you watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and be sure you come back for the next video. Thanks a bunch.